But before I move on to a game, I want to know who is like a bigger prankster on set.
What? कोई लाइट डिटेक्शन है कैमरा में, कोई सॉफ्टवेयर?
Put it on now.
एक बार हुआ था जहाँ पर आई वॉज गोइंग फॉर दिस फिल्म फ्यूरियस 7, एक आई थी 2015 में, बस फॉर सम रीजन मेरा आईडी कार्ड मांगा गया था, सो आई वाज लाइक सर मेरी हो गई उम्र 18 की, दे वर लाइक नहीं आपकी नहीं हुई है, तो मैं बोला ठीक है सर आप गूगल कर लीजिए दैट सबसे पहले एक मिनट मेरे से अभी कंट्रोल नहीं हुआ जाएगा, सबसे ज्यादा
innocent looking, but he's not that innocent.
ऑन सेट सबसे ज्यादा प्रैंक्स किस पे खेले गए?
Well,
Never have I ever for you wanting to slap the sheet. ये कैमरा क्लोजअप लो, कैमरामैन जूम करो. I think I got lucky because मुझे उसकी कोई नॉलेज नहीं थी, तो I had no clue what's happening around me. आप जो ये वर्ड लाइमलाइट भी यूज करो, मुझे एक्चुअली आज तक उसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है. मैं 8-9 साल का था, मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा था, बहुत सारा प्यार मिल रहा था मुझे हर जगह से, तो जब घर पे डांट पड़ती थी मुझे वो सब मोमेंट्स याद आती थी. फ्रैंकली सच बता रहा हूँ, एज एन एक्टर शुड फॉरगेट थिंकिंग अबाउट outside the camera. Think only what's happening in front of the camera, जो तुम्हारा काम है.
So when Sitar Zameen Par Ka aaya, it was news ki okay you are not a part of the project. When you saw that euphoria ki okay people are still expecting you to be in that shoes, right?
एक तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता है कि मुझे वो इतना फोकस आ गया ना मेरे ऊपर उसमें, तो मैं बहुत दूर भागता हूँ वहाँ से, क्योंकि एक्चुअली द ट्रूथ इज.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am with someone who are not only brilliant actors but also gamers now. Gamer log Darshil and Anjali. Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you for having us.
thank you. I am a gamer now.
But
She
then-
always was.
yeah. But I want to know how good of gamers are you all in real life, because
She's fabulous.
There's no one like me. I'm the best gamer that there
Ever.
is in India, in the world.
In the world, yes. She is fantastic.
yeah.
एक सच बात बताओ तो all of us indulge in some games or the other.
Yeah.
It can be something as simple, good time pass as Scrabble or anything, and it can be something as investing as like कुछ shooting game या वगैरह.
I mean, yeah,
So-
Scrabble is quite an investment as well. But
It does become competitive also. I agree with Anjali on this, but हम दोनों खेलते हैं, and this show also allowed us to use it as an excuse to play more games.
yeah,
Yeah,
the
we're doing it
boys
as
were
prep.
always on set playing their games.
Yes, and we never got shouted at.
But after seeing the teaser and the trailer as well, I think there is a competitive spirit in each person who are present there in the game, right? In real life, how competitive are you both as actors in real life, however it is?
I didn't feel there was any competition with all of us, honestly. We were just one unit. We supported each other. We had fun with each other. We played games. We pranked each other. We were silly. And there was no sense of competition or mean
Only in the
spiritedness
gaming.
or anything. Only in the gaming, yeah.
When
only
we
in the
used to
gaming.
actually play on set, we were just competitive. Otherwise, we
I
had
would just
great
sit on the side.
Yes, and she would watch.
I would watch.
And be our nice, very kind and patient cheerleader.
Yeah.
But I agree with her. I completely second her on that. And I think individually also, I feel where it's not required, I don't think being competitive, it just takes the fun out of anything. I feel being supportive is cooler.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
helping each other out. And उससे एक बहुत ही unsaid, invisible चीज़ होती है, which is, I don't have the words for it, but you can start feeling that spirit as a team. And
take
the name is Gamer Log, not Gamer Insan, guy or whatever,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So it's Gamer Log. It's a gang, it's a group.
Yes.
So I feel that we tried to as much as we could work together. मैंने कल इनको एक मैसेज लिखा था कि thanks for trusting and thanks for having everybody's back.
True.
And
That's
that is
very
what I think
Yeah,
we felt. Yeah.
exactly.
But Anjali, coming to you, when I see you in something like a class, now in Gamer Log, and even a glimpse of Bad Girl, whatever I have seen, you have always chosen characters that take something out of you. I mean, they are very intense, right? Does it become difficult to come out of that zone? Because I think intensity can sometimes take a toll on actors.
Yes, definitely, it can take a toll. I have felt a few times where it was a little difficult to kind of get out of that same mind space, because a lot of the characters that I have played are also on a more negative line, which is why it was so refreshing to play someone like Joanna, because she's a very confident and positive minded person, and Getting into a character like that is only inspirational for me in my own life because it also keeps me on track, makes me want to think more positive and stay more, you know, uh, and persevere through anything that's difficult and stuff. So yeah, I mean, sometimes it's hard, but eventually at the end of that journey, it's all worth it.
Exactly. But you know, after class, did you feel bothered when there was constant chatter around your character, your looks, the way you look, your looks were compared? How did you process that news all over?
Quite honestly, initially it was like a little, you know, because I wanted people to talk more about my performance. But honestly, it's just the name of the game. In one ear, out the other.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how I dealt with it.
But you know, you have also collaborated with, say, someone like an Anurag Kashyap. How was that experience? I mean, as a filmmaker, every actor wants to do, you know, a project or be a part of his film. And you know, even बोलते ना अगर लोग एक teaser से ही film को judge कर लेते, initially as an actor, how do you reply to those things? Because I think some things are unwarranted that comes your way.
Yeah, but you know what? I feel like all of that is for another day. And today, we're just going to focus on
Gamer लोग.
Gamer Log.
But you know, what sort of characters are you now looking forward to? Because आपने बोला ना कि I've always done something on negative side. So yeah.
So I feel like yes, even if it has ended up being a little more of a darker character or something like that, my main the thing that draws me most to a character is what they're like as a person. You know, I really love very strong female characters, and every single role that I've had the privilege of playing in anything that I've been in has been a very strong female character, if you've noticed. And even if they are soft and not as like outspoken as the people that I have played so far, I like to put a little bit of myself into that and bring out their energy through that. So yeah, I don't really have any specific kind of person that I would like to play. I want to be able to play a whole graph of people.
So Darshu, you are more of like outdoor games person or e-games?
Both. I'm just a games person. मैं हर तरीके के, you know, I sometimes what happens is for me as an individual, my mind gets very clogged with बहुत सारे विचार, and I'll have installed and uninstalled the same game multiple times in my life. That's the reason being कि यार sometimes I also understand कि getting too indulgent and too addicted to things is also not that good because it takes you away from the world. But sometimes it's necessary to get taken away from the world so that you are within your own space. So now I'm trying to work on that balance. मैं दोनों outdoor और indoor games पेट भर के खेलता हूँ, and it allows me I'm थोड़ा greedy like that. So it allows me the best of everything, you know, be it pickleball, cricket, badminton, all these games, you know, and I would love to learn more as well. I just absolutely love playing games. Also bringing out the competitive side in me, वो भी एक मज़ा आता है. You get to learn so much, you get to be mentally tough, and focus helps a lot. I'm a distracted individual. तो मुझे बचपन से ही बोला गया है कि तुम games, मतलब not games, video games, but you focus on hand-eye coordination and all these things, dancing and stuff. So yeah, I think that's been my बचपन से मेरा coding वैसे हुआ है.
True. But you know, on a different note, Darshil, you know, everyone talks to you about Tare Zameen Par, maybe that phase, working with Aamir Khan. I want to talk to you. You got limelight with that role. I think as a child, it becomes sometimes difficult to deal with. What was that phase for you?
See, I think I got lucky because मुझे उसकी कोई knowledge नहीं थी. तो I had no clue what's happening around me. आप जो ये word limelight भी use करो, मुझे actually आज तक उसका understanding नहीं है. I just feel that तुमने कुछ काम किया वो highlight होता है.
True.
मेरे बदले और कोई भी होगा वहाँ पे, कोई भी काम करेगा, उनको हाईलाइट होगा. जैसे बहुत सारी फिल्में मेरे पहले आ चुकी है और जैसे बहुत सारी फिल्में मेरे बाद आई. सो आई वॉज फोकसिंग ऑन माई मस्ती एट दैट एज. मैं 8-9 साल का था, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था, बहुत सारा प्यार मिल रहा था मुझे हर जगह से. तो जब घर पे डांट पड़ती थी मुझे वो सब मोमेंट्स याद आती थी. सो आई हैव हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम इन माई लाइफ. थोड़ा जब बड़ा हुआ तो थोड़ा टेंशन हुआ क्योंकि देन आई स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मीनिंग बिहाइंड दैट एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ दैट. वो बोलते ना ग्रेविटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन. तो वो फिर थोड़ी टेंशन आने शुरू हो गई क्योंकि देन आई वाज लाइक I need to reach up to those standards, or if not beat those standards. अभी वो कैसे किया जाए? Because मैं कोई producer नहीं हूँ. I am an actor who's looking to work. So you have to work your way around it. You have to figure तुम्हारे art का, तुम्हारा skill, तुम्हारा craft क्या है, try sharpening it, focus on those things. So I tried to do that. मैंने theatre join किया.
Yeah, you did.
So I made it a part of my journey कि ठीक है, you know, this is how it is. And most importantly, a learning attitude.
True.
Like that's my parents, my school, my teachers, my friends, everybody. They've you know kept me grounded and they've kept me aligned with this. कि एक learning attitude बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Even Amir sir, for the matter of fact.
Yeah.
कि it's never a complete chapter कि हाँ हो गया मुझे सब पता है. It never happens like that. So when I move forward like that, I'm always curious. I'm understanding क्या चल रहा है, and the idea is always to recapture that emotion. कि तुम ऐसा काम करो जिससे लोगों को कोई ना कोई emotion feel हो.
Exactly.
You know, when gamer log also, when we were shooting that, हमें emotion बहुत heavily feel हो रहा था. The entire cast, all the people you are seeing on that poster,
I know.
Anjali, me, and the cast and crew, everybody.
Everyone.
मतलब there have been moments जहाँ पे आप BTS में भी देखोगे ना, people are reacting to us performing there वहाँ पर. We are enjoying, तो उनको भी
we
enjoy.
feel like okay, we are actually
You
involved
are
in it.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
We
So
feel
our
that, yes.
hope is only that when the show comes out, and you can watch it for free, all of you, on Amazon MX Player.
Yeah.
When it comes out, 12th को आ रहा है, we hope that you are able to feel that emotion.
True.
It can be something different altogether, but just making you all feel an emotion is what we are here for. We are hungry for that, and थोड़ा भी उसका हो गया तो we are very happy.
But you mentioned very right thing कि इमोशनली ना एक कनेक्शन भी फील होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप
Yeah.
कोई भी एक प्रोडक्ट देखते हो आज सिनेमा में, राइट? सो व्हेन सितारे ज़मीन पर का आया, इट वाज न्यूज़ की ओके यू आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. व्हेन यू सॉ दैट यूफोरिया कि ओके पीपल आर स्टिल एक्सपेक्टिंग यू टू बी इन दैट शूज, राइट?
Yeah.
हाउ डिड यू प्रोसेस इट? बिकॉज इवन लव आज तक वो होना भी बड़ी
See,
बात
I'll
है.
tell you something. This depends on person to person. Okay. मेरे लिए कैसा है ना कि मैं एक तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता है कि मुझे वो इतना फोकस आ गया ना मेरे ऊपर उसमें, तो मैं बहुत दूर भागता हूँ वहाँ से, क्योंकि एक्चुअली द ट्रूथ इज इट वाज अ टीम वर्क ऑन दैट सेट. एवरी सिंगल पर्सन हैज मेड दैट फिल्म एग्जिस्ट. आमिर सर का सोल कण कण में भरा है वो फिल्म में. अमोल गुप्ते सर का राइटिंग कण कण में भरा है. कॉस्ट्यूम दादा, एवरीबडी, सबका सब कुछ भरा है. बट एवरीथिंग कम्स अपॉन कि अरे दर्शील ने क्या किया, तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मुझे जो बोला वो मैं कर रहा था. So for me, I always thought this is not just about me. This is about all of these people. This is about a story. This is about feeling that emotion.
Yeah.
So I had made my peace with it long before.
Yeah.
I was just like when it was announced for a moment, I was excited. I was like, "अरे कुछ होगा तो." You have that excitement. Anyone would have.
Anyone would.
And then I was like, "Oh, अच्छा, they're moving on in some other direction." So then I was like, "ठीक है, fine. You know, it's a part of your journey. You have to accept it, move on." And look for better opportunities, look for you know unique stuff, and then I start focusing on my space.
Yeah.
फिर ये सब सोचना, frankly सच बता रहा हूँ, as an actor should forget thinking about outside the camera. Think only what's happening in front of the camera, जो तुम्हारा काम है.
True.
If you do that, you will kill it.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I think this mindset comes क्योंकि आप मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट के अराउंड से. बट आई वांट टू नो, आज भी जब आप मीम्स देखते हो ना, एंड यू सी हाउ द सीन्स आर डाइसेक्टेड, मुझे बताओ क्या एक यू नो नॉस्टैल्जिया हिट करता है आपको?
यार, आई पर्सनली फील ये तो एक बहुत दिस इज गोना बी अ लॉन्ग कॉन्वर्सेशन. ये 2 घंटा जाएगा ये आपको बताने में. बट इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी, इट्स नॉट जस्ट मिस्टर आमिर सर, इट्स बिन everybody
On that side.
coming right to my most latest project, Gamer Log, with Abhinay sir
Yeah.
and Arya sir and Anjali ma'am and everybody.
Really, ma'am?
They have all been so integral for my learning. They have been so integral for my journey, as a part of my journey as an actor, कि यार ये memorable हो गया है.
हो गया, true.
Okay, even on the shoot, we have the memory of watching the T20 World Cup. जब हम जीते थे,
Yeah.
and we had extended the shoot just to sit in that van and not move because we are superstitious कि कोई भी हिला तो नहीं होगा बराबर से, and we had watched that.
They held me prisoner for like 2 hours.
So we have that memory, you know, and I feel that it's a once in a lifetime thing. You can't ask for more, and I look at it कि यार जो भी है तुम्हारे हाथ में, be grateful, be feel lucky, thank God, thank everybody. And move on. Use that energy and move on. I think
I know.
important चीज़ ये है कि तुम अगला step पे ध्यान दो. Don't get
Carried
अटकोड
away.
anywhere. Yeah.
You know, but before I move on to a game, I want to know who is like a bigger prankster on set.
What?
What are you saying?
No lies here. No lies here.
कोई लाइट डिटेक्शन है कैमरा में, कोई
Put it
software?
on. Put it on now.
Yo,
Who played a prank on me before we?
that
just-
was not my
who,
idea.
Who did it? It
That was
you.
not my idea. I just joined the prank.
He basically was involved in every single.
सबसे
prank that
पहले
happened
एक
to
मिनट,
every
मेरे से अभी
single
control
person.
नहीं हुआ
He's
जाएगा,
very-
सबसे
very
ज़्यादा-
innocent looking, but he's not that innocent. Huh?
I
Okay,
was
be
going
honest
to
now.
ask you that only.
Be honest. On set सबसे ज़्यादा pranks किस पे खेले गए?
Well, you.
See, बस
But then in retaliation, you also did it, na?
तो क्यों नहीं? Stupid. In our language.
But yeah, I'm moving forward to a game. Never have I ever. Fun questions, and you have to just say you have or you have not.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll also ask you something.
Yeah. You guys can ask each other. I'll give
नहीं,
that a
नहीं.
chance.
Are you mad?
Last में एक
पहुंच
question.
जाएंगे कहीं और हम.
Okay. Never have I ever accidentally texted a wrong person.
I have. How are you
Yeah,
thinking
I
that
have.
much?
I think I have once or twice. पर मैंने delete कर दिया था मैसेज.
Okay. Pretended to know a stranger.
I have.
100%.
Okay. What
कल
was
रात
it?
सॉरी नहीं बोल सकता मैं.
Quickly.
It's because, see, as actors, we meet so many people
And you
on
don't
a
wanna hurt anyone.
day-to-day basis,
Yeah.
and then you end up meeting someone, and they're just like, "Oh, hi, I'm there."
And then there are those moments where you're like, where that said person is like, remember?
Yeah,
and you
and
have
then
to be
you're
like,
just like,
हाँ,
yeah.
yes, याद है, जबकि कुछ याद नहीं है. तो ये हम दोनों
Yeah.
agree करते हैं कि
Okay.
हमने
Laughed on a joke I didn't understood.
Yes, I have.
100% for
I
her.
didn't want to look stupid.
For me, I have laughed because I'm with the feeling, but समझा तो काफी कभी-कभी लेट हो जाता है मेरे से.
I've also been caught out on it, huh?
Yeah.
Why are you laughing? Did you understand the joke?
Yeah, cross questioning
Explain it.
happens.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay, never have I ever gate crashed a party.
Never.
No, never.
Never. Okay. Taken advantage of my popularity.
Never.
Never यार. एक बार हुआ था, not popularity. एक बार हुआ था जहाँ पर I was going for this film. I don't know if I can say it. Furious 7 एक आई थी 2015 में. I had just turned 18 and I didn't look 18. तो मेरे साथ जो लोग थे वो actually 18 years के नहीं थे. And बस for some reason मेरा ID card मांगा गया था. So I was like, सर मेरी हो गई उम्र 18 की. They were like, नहीं आपकी नहीं हुई है. तो मैं बोला ठीक है सर आप गूगल कर लीजिए. So that is what I had just said at that moment. शी इज हाइपिंग इट अप फालतू में, पर वो मेरे लिए बहुत एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट था. जो लोग भी ये सुन रहे हैं उनको याद है.
Okay, never have I ever been scolded by my director on set.
I have.
गेमर लोग भी हो गया था हमारे साथ तो.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were playing now the video game. एक बार
ये
हमने
तो
prank, you don't know that
ये तो
Chetan thing what
सेटी.
happened.
I think fun filled
You
set
remember?
था.
You don't know.
Of course,
I just
I
gave the
remember.
mic and I'm like,
yeah.
some beatboxing.
And then he started, and you guys got yelled at.
Chetan got yelled at. But
It was all of
गाली
you.
तो पड़ती है.
And then you guys are always sitting and playing with your video games.
गाली पड़ती है.
Yeah.
And
were
उसमें
like-
बिल भी किसी और पे फट जाता है कभी-कभी. Like for
Yeah.
example, sometimes it'll always be me जिस पे बिल फटेगा जब necessary नहीं है. Yes, I am the culprit sometimes. I'll accept it. तो absolutely I have
Yeah,
got
yeah.
गाली from
Definitely,
director. You
it's
have how you have gotten
I have gotten in life, yeah.
Director.
It's inevitable.
Director.
But yes, of course. But
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
I have.
You are a good girl.
Of course, like.
Okay, never have I ever lied about my relationship status.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? I have lied. Yes.
I mean,
You have
I'm a very private person.
So,
So
of course you
in
have lied.
that way, yes, I've lied, but not like
Liar.
in a shady way.
I've
not
lied in
a
all ways.
shady way.
Shady way, whatever way. I've
I've
lied.
not lied in a
I have
shady
no
way.
shame.
I've lied purely out of wanting to keep my private life private.
That's very shady according to me.
It's not shady at all.
Okay, now to wrap this, क्योंकि आपने बोला था ना I have some questions.
नहीं, I
दोनों जन
don't
एक
have.
question
अरे
एक
मेरे
दूसरे
को
को
ये
पूछते
मार
हैं.
डालेगी पूरा दिन निकालना
You
है.
can ask. Now both have to ask a question to each
Oh
other.
God.
Never have I ever for you. Wanting to slap Darshil.
No, I've never wanted to slap you.
ये कैमरा क्लोजअप लो, कैमरामैन जूम करो. Liar.
Never.
She has actually hit me a lot on this set.
Never have I
Doesn't
ever
look like.
had like a 1 liter glass of chocolate milk.
I've had a 2-liter glass. I have.
Okay,
इसमें
yeah,
तो
that's
क्या
it,
है
that's
बड़ी
funny.
बात?
I don't know. I don't want to ask any scandalizing questions, huh?
You had the opportunity. हो गया अभी. हो गया.
But thank you so much, guys. This was fun, and so was the teaser and trailer of Gamerlook. Looking
Yes.
forward for the show and
Please
the
watch.
stint. Thank you.
Thank you
Please
so
watch it. See you.
much.
Hi everyone, I'm Darshil Safari,
Hi, I'm Anjali Sivaraman.
and you are watching us on
Bollywood Bubble.